Welcome back to Build a Salon episode 4. We're going to attempt to lime wash this wall with paint and no brush. I used the remaining black floor paint and a small paint sample of like a lighter gray color mixed together with a sponge and essentially just like beauty blended the shit out of the wall. That single sponge coat wasn't really giving the coverage that I wanted. So we gave her an old primer coat with the black paint all over. Is she perfect? No. Would I show this video to my dad? Also no. But it worked and I'm so happy with the result, I could give a shit. This was weirdly ambitious of me to start today, and honestly, I didn't even finish the wall, but I did do like 3/4 of it in the entirety of the John Cena psych episode. So I feel like that's pretty good. Hopefully I can finish this tomorrow and show you the end result. But I wouldn't believe in me if I were you.